Good day, Madam Nur Hafiza. Today we are going to present about mini project 2. So this is our team members, me, myself, Sharvin.
I'm Logesh.
And I'm Divyan.
Okay. So first, this is the input and output of our website. Okay, this is home page, and we got sign up page. Next we got data capture. So we're using three data capture, that is GPS receiver, camera, and Bluetooth beacons. A GPS receiver captures real-time location data from satellites. A camera captures visual data such as images and videos. Basically the Bluetooth beacons is a small device that transmits signals to nearby smartphones.
Okay, here we have two testing. One is unit testing, another one system testing. So for the unit testing is we have three parts. Testing each class or model, and the second one is testing error handling, and the third one is testing the logic. For system testing is testing what the system does, and the second one is testing how well it works, and the third one is testing is it safe or not.
Okay, so installation, there are four processes. The first one is user authentication or login. So what it does is the user open the class member app on their phones, they're prompted to log in or sign up. Second is search for class routes. For example, after login, users can input their current location and decide destination or their classrooms. Then they can specify their preferred walking distance or accessibility options. Third one is after searching, the app retrieves relevant class routes based on the input parameters. So moving on, we have view route options. First one is it displays a list of available class routes, and each route includes details such as total distance, estimated travel time, and any landmarks. And users can select a route to view it on a map or follow the directions. The last one, we have map navigation. So what is it? Is that users can view the selected class route on an interactive map within the app, and they can zoom in, zoom out, pan the map, and switch between different map views. First one is satellite view, and the second is street view. Okay, fifth one is alternative routes. So in case the user wants to explore different route options, the app provides alternatives, and users can compare different routes based on factors like distance and estimated time. Moving on to save favorite routes, they have the option to save their favorite class routes for quick access in the future. And save routes can be organized into folders for easier management. Then we have feedback and ratings, and this one, of course, just to collect a survey of their feedback and ratings that will help us to improve the application over time. Then we have settings and preferences where they can users can customize app settings and preferences according to their needs. And then this may include options for unit measurements, miles, kilometers, map themes, and accessibility features. And finally, they have the option to log out, exit, which means that they can have the freedom to exit or log out of the app.
So next up we got the evaluation checklist. So we got 7 steps there. So first is the authentications and security. So we got to verify secure login and sign up, ensure data encryption and protected. So, it's for the user safety. And next we got search and route generation. We need to test accurate generation, verify search functionality. Third, we got navigation and bookmarking. Test turn-by-turn navigation, ensure user can bookmark routes. So this will be easy to the user to bookmark their routes. And we got feedback and settings. Test feedback submission, verify settings customizations. Fifth is the error handling and performance. Test error handling, check performance under different conditions. Six is compatibility and documentation. Ensure compatibility across devices and also provide comprehensive documentations. And seventh step is user acceptances and bug fixes. Conduct user acceptance testing, address any remaining bugs or issues. Next, we got maintenance. So we got 4 steps there. So the first is corrective maintenance. Conduct careful analysis before making changes to avoid introducing new problems. Second is adaptive maintenance, add enhancement to improve usability. Third, perfective maintenance, improve efficiency, reliability, and maintainability. The fourth is preventive maintenance, analyze potential troubles areas to avoid problems.
So this one is system security. Here we have three security. The first one is confidentiality. Keeps user info and login details safe. Make sure only authenticated users can view sensitive information like their username, password, like that. And the second one is integrity. prevents unauthorized modification of class root data, guarantees that the routes shown are accurate and reliable. And the last one is availability, ensure that the class mapper application working good, and also users can access class routes whenever they need them without any problems. And backup, here we also have three backup, and the first one is backup. Keep a copy of all important stuff like users data and system setting. If the app crashing or losing data, we have a spare copy to save up. And the second one is recovery. You're not getting everything back to normal after a problem, and also restores all the saved data and settings so that the app can start working again without any errors and problems. And the last one is disaster recovery plan. It includes making extra copies of data, storing them in the different places, and having special ways to keep the app running even if a system crash or major data loss.
Okay, so we have the appendix. First one is interface design. The Class Mapper app is easy to use. You can find class routes quickly with simple search tools and clear navigation buttons. Here are some pictures of how it looks. This is most likely a reference, and this will show how the app will look like in the future. Then we have system testing. So we've tested the Class Mapper system a lot to make sure it works well. We tried different things like searching for routes, making routes, moving around the app, and handling errors. So here's a summary of what we did and what we found. So the first, we have four test case IDs with the description and the results. So the first test case ID, the description was we searched for class routes and we managed to succeed in that. So the pass indicates succeed. If it's fail means it didn't succeed. So the second one, as you can see, everything we passed. So the second one is navigate through generated routes. Third one is error handling for invalid inputs, and finally we have performance testing under heavy loads. So we have managed to succeed for all. So the next one is error troubleshooting. So if users have problems with Class Mapper, we help them fix it step by step. We've written down common problems and how to solve them in the troubleshooting guide below. So let's say the first problem is they can't find their class routes. So the solution is to double check the spelling of your starting location and destination. Make sure you're connected to the internet for up-to-date route information so that it keeps refreshing every single second, every single millisecond. Okay. So next one is the app is crashing. So what are the solutions? You can close the app completely and restart it and check if there are any updates available for the app and install them. We made so the app that it only works if the user regularly updates it. So if you are using an old client version, there are chances it won't update. Why? Because everything is being up to date to the servers. So servers also need some time to refresh. If they update, they can resync back to the servers. So the third one is unable to log in. The solution is double check your username and password for any typos. If you forgotten your password, use the forgot password option to reset it. And if you're still having trouble, there's always customer support for assistance.
And the last one is system manual. So the first system manual is searching for class routes. Type your starting location and destination. Tap the search button to find available routes. And the second one is viewing routes. Choose a route from the list of options and tap on the route to view it on the map. And the third one is navigation. Follow the turn by turn direction on the map and tap on the map for more details. And the fourth one is saving favorite routes. Tap on the save button next to a route to bookmark it and access saved routes later from the favorite section. And troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues, check the troubleshooting guide in the app setting. Contact support for further assistance if needed. And the sixth one is settings. Customize app preference like units and map views, and also adjust settings to suit your preference. And the last one is logging out. Tap on your profile icon and select logout to exit the app securely.
And this is the reference we use for conduct our case mini project. And thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.